Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to sort places by distance on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps and look for restaurants, for example. And as you can see here, it will show me like all the restaurants nearby. And to sort them by distance, I have just to click sort by, click or choose distance and click done. And as you can see, now Google Maps sorted the restaurants for me by distance. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video. If you have any question, don't forget to put it in the comment section so I can answer it. And see you in the next video.